Alright fellas, let's get this show started. So today was like fucking Christmas. Anyway, we will start off with these big compressors. Heavy duty, 200 max PSI, 15 gallon. A couple people were wondering how to find these. Well, there's the UPC for this one. You can either call your store and have them check that UPC, which they'll probably lie to you and tell you they don't have them, or you can check. I went to, I think, three different Home Depots today. And they were all quite far away. It was kind of like a big loop. It took all fucking day. And it paid off. So, I mean, go out and do some fucking hunting. But, so, there's 3 of those. 98 bucks a piece. I got a 4th one. It is still at one of the stores. About an hour and a half away. I didn't have any room. I had all of this stuff in my little hatchback Ford Focus. It's quite stuffed. I mean, these are about 4 feet tall, so they're pretty big. They're fucking heavy. Okay, so there's those air compressors. Here's this one. I had to take this one out of the box and fold the box up in order for me to be able to see my passenger side mirror. The details on this one. Oh, by the way, you're gonna have to wait till the end for the title, but hopefully I'll watch this and get a little bit of info and get some of this shit. So this one, 4.5 gallon, 200 PSI. This one was 88. These were marked down from almost 400 bucks to 88 and 98. There's the UPC for that one. Home Depot. That one's got 2 air chucks. Then we've got these Cobalt trenching spades, marked down from 30 down to $1.68. I don't know what the hell I'm going to do with them, but for $1.68 I weren't going to leave them sitting there. And we've got the Milwaukee fuel kit. Normally these kits, these come with a 5 amp and a 2 amp battery, but the kits that come with the 2 5 amps go for 400 bucks right now at Home Depot. These were I think from the last holiday season, so these have been sitting there a while. They were originally $2.99 for the holiday, and they were $1.50 today, which I think I can break the kits apart and keep probably the 2 big batteries and flip the rest and at least make my money back. I haven't figured out what I'm going to do with them yet. Next, we've got these 2 paint guns. The 590, the Wagner Flexio 590 was $154 down to $39.03. Now, a little bit of information I'm going to give you is, let's see if I can peel this sticker off. But the way Home Depot marks shit down, where this has an 03 behind it, there's usually one more mark down before it hits a penny, and then when shit hits a penny, they're not supposed to sell it. So this 39.03, it'll go down again to like 19 or 20.02. So there'll be a 2 at the end. Usually, that's how Home Depot does their mark down. Let's see if I pull this sticker off. Oh, I guess I'm pulling the whole thing. Let's see if I can separate them. Kind of hard with one hand. I gotta set this down for a second. fellas. Stay with me. These things don't peel apart very good. Okay, so there's the 3903 tag. This was the previous price, so it jumped down from 116.06 down to 39 friggin' bucks. So a little tip on figuring out markdowns and stuff is usually once it hits 03, there's one more markdown. It'll be an 02 at the end, and then they hit a penny and they're not supposed to sell them. This one, I don't even know what the fuck I'm gonna do with these. I just bought them and I either flip them or return them, or I don't know. But this one I think was 34, and it was like 130 down to 34. This I got about a week ago. These were like 90, marked down to 20. I don't have the slip for that one. It's upstairs somewhere in my garbage bag full of receipts. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that either, but I figured for 20 bucks I'd grab it just to have it for now. Let's see what else. Oh, that was a Walmart deal. I got this a couple days ago. It was 20 bucks, which Lowe's has some other shop vacs on clearance, so I don't know if I'll keep this one or not. But I grabbed it. There's only a couple left. I can always return it. Hi, Blue. But it's a UPC. I should probably be giving you guys the UPCs for all of this shit, at least most of it. If anyone's into the M18 fuel, there's the UPC for that kit.
Hello.
Yeah.
Okay. Just wanted to ask for it.
Alright, back to it. Girlfriend came down and fucked me all up. So, there's UPC for the backpack sprayer. UPC for one of the paint guns. For the big one, comes with a nice plastic case and some other stuff, I guess. What the fuck is it? Oh, how fucking cool. Oh, it's on top of the box. That's for the paint sprayers. I don't know if anybody really wants to go find one of these trenching spades, but for $1, at least you get a good handle you can use to fucking whack somebody over the head or something, you know? It comes down to it. So we've covered all this shit. Oh, my, I don't know why I bought this. I mean, it was like $3. I couldn't fucking leave it. But, just a little fucking wheelie cart. UPC, I guess, for anyone really is interested. But, I thought it was kind of neat. Because it, if I remember how to do it, just folds right up. Into nothing. Cool. Okay. So, now we got the Sawzall blade. And if you remember from my video yesterday, or this morning, whenever I posted it, I had bought 2 packages of the wood blades at my local Lowe's, and I paid like $6 or $7, whatever it was. You know, they were like $22 a pack originally. Well, 3 more packs of the wood nail embedded wood blades, and 6 packages of medium metal blades. So got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 blades. Now where's the receipt? So I'll do the Lowe's receipt first. $1.28 a package, $2.56, 6 at $1.20. Where the hell did I get 3? I'll be completely honest, I don't know where the 3rd one came from. Unless they forgot to ring one out. Guess that's possible. Oh, bonus. Anyway, $10 for 45 Sawzall blades. That's ridiculously cheap. The trenching spades. 3 at $1.68 a piece, $5. 6 cubic foot compact folding cart, $3.16. That was 79 bucks. Those were 30 bucks, and these were like $22 a package. That is a damn good deal. Flexio 590, 3903. 3 of the air compressors at 98 a piece. I don't have these pictured. They're in the garage. I didn't feel like fucking going out there. It's cold. But my local had these 2 repaired Echo gas-powered weed whackers. As you can see, $42 and $54. They're both in almost brand new shape, so I grabbed them. That one, a savings of $126.75, so it was like 180 bucks. And that one was 200 something originally. And that is the other paint sprayer, 3403. Let's see what we got here. This is the 4.5 gallon air compressor, 88 bucks. M18 fuel, 150. M18 fuel, 150. Now the 4th compressor, big compressor, the one that I still have to go back and pick up tomorrow, I had bought at a different store. And it hadn't been all the way marked down yet. But it was $2.53. So I returned it to this other store. Got my $2.53 back and bought it back for $98. But of course, I lost that receipt. My bumper fell off my car and I had to crawl under it and screw it back on in the parking lot there at the Home Depot, and apparently it fell out of my pocket because I cannot find it. A couple of Black Friday deals from Home Depot. This was 16-piece Milwaukee metal blades. I think this is like 12 bucks. Which I should return it and get my money back since I get all them. But I burned through a lot of blades. So I'm gonna keep them. They had these spade bits, Home Depot, I think. They're like $4.50 or something. And you can put them in an impact and use them. So I grabbed them. And they had these Diablo 7 1/4 skill saw blades. I just picked up one of the new 7 1/4 Ryobi brushless skill saws, circular saw. So I grabbed them. I think those were like 10 bucks. I also purchased some other ones. There's another brand at Home Depot, and it was 2 blades for 6 bucks. I don't know where the fuck I put them though. But this video was gonna be like 20 fucking minutes long, so let's get to it. So, I say the moment you've all been waiting for, but oh, battery's getting low. I'm sure a lot of you really don't give a shit, but I picked up 2 of these Husky 4-gallon hot dog compressors. Comes with a little fucking kit. You know, not bad. You know, you're gonna need something fairly lightweight, lug around, pump up tires or something. That's about all it's good for. But I got a little bit of info. I got a friend, and I've been watching these a while. They were $33.02. Is what they were. So we got the 03 on those, and those were $33.02. So that was their final markdown before they hit a penny. And so I'm gonna block this one out, because just in case anybody sees it. But dun 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 dun. Husky 1 horsepower 4-gallon oil-free air compressor. 2 at 1 penny a piece. 2 cents. Subtotal 2 cents. Total 2 cents. Cash 0.1. Oh, yeah, 2 cents. So, and of course, those are purchased today, 11/29, tonight, just a couple hours ago. But I got 2 of them. They were sitting on the top of the steel shelf, and at my Home Depot they have a special little room for air compressors and automotive shit. They were way at the top, and I've been watching them a while. Let's see if I can find a UPC on this for you guys. Now Home Depot's not supposed to sell this shit when it hits a penny. They're supposed to send it back because they get credit for it from the company. Which I don't know if it's true or not. I don't know what the fucking UPC is. I'm not going to flip it all around. But Home Depot's not supposed to sell that shit for a penny. But I had them. I helped myself. I grabbed a ladder and I climbed to the top of the steel. And I put them in a car and I went to the self-checkout and they rang up a penny and the woman was standing there. I was like, what the fuck? That ain't right. So of course I get a manager involved and blah blah blah. But guess what? I got them. And one of them I'm giving to a friend. He works at a certain store and gives me some intel once in a while. And he's a good fella and he don't make a lot of money. And he's got several kids to feed, a wife. And he's getting one. Giving it to him for Christmas. But this video is fucking long enough. But there's some deals, some receipts, some UPCs. Today was like fucking Christmas. Go out and get some stuff, boys. Alright, back again. I forgot a couple things. In case y'all wanted to go find these at Lowe's. Or you can use your ammomafia.com or buttplug.com or dildo.com, whatever .com you want to use to search UPCs. These are for the Sawzall blades. Lowe's. And another thing is those. I was kind of proud of myself for getting those for a penny because those were originally like $100 a piece. I think something like that, 80 or whatever. But guys,